In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see chat and hand raises when presenting in Microsoft Teams, ensuring you stay connected with your audience and are aware of their inputs. To start, let's head over to Microsoft Teams and log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials handy, as this will be your first step toward accessing all the collaboration tools Microsoft Teams offers you. Once you're logged in, it's time to join a meeting. To do this, look for the three dots on the left side menu panel of your Microsoft Teams interface. Clicking on this will expand a menu revealing additional options. Among these, you'll find the Meet option. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be prompted to join a meeting using an ID. Here, you should have a meeting ID ready, typically provided by the meeting host. Input this ID in the space provided, then enter the passcode if prompted. The passcode is like a security key, ensuring that only authorized participants can join. After entering these details, click on Join the Meeting. This action will take you inside the meeting where all the attendees, including yourself, will begin interacting. And once you're in, click on Join Now to finalize your entrance into the meeting space. As a presenter, you might want to share your screen or a presentation. To do this, locate the Share button found at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this option will allow you to choose the presentation or document you wish to share with your attendees. Make sure you have the file or presentation open and ready for presentation, so you can transition smoothly without unnecessary delays. During your presentation, it's crucial to stay engaged with your audience. Microsoft Teams helps you with this by visually notifying you of raised hands. Whenever a participant raises their hand, their profile will be highlighted, and you'll notice a conveniently located raised hand emoticon at the top left of their profile. This visual cue is simple and effective in drawing your attention to participants who wish to speak or ask questions. Furthermore, there's also a chat feature integrated into the meeting. To access the chat, simply click on the Chat button located on the top tool menu. This will open a chat window where you can view messages from participants, allowing for text comments and queries. You'll be able to see any ongoing conversation without missing a beat of your presentation, ensuring you're fully informed about participant questions and feedback in real time. That's it. By following these straightforward instructions, you'll be well equipped to effectively manage a Teams meeting, staying attuned to both verbal and nonverbal cues from your audience. Happy presenting, and see you in the next video.